Hi everyone, Mark from Go Fast Hobbies again. Today we're going to talk about the RC10T. As you see here, we got one of them. We have several of them here at Go Fast Hobbies. Before I start the video, we'll start shipping them on the 8th, which is a Monday. And if you've not gotten one, it'll be an opportunity to get one. We do have quite a few of them. And once again, we'll start shipping them the 8th of July. So we'll go ahead and we'll talk about it a little bit. As you can see, I've got one of the original boxes here. The box is not in the greatest of shape. The box is very similar, the re-release of it. It says, RC10T here, same as it does here. It says, this is what I thought was kind of interesting, it says 32-time world champions. Back then when this truck was released, they were 9-time world champion. You see that on the box as well. So we'll go ahead and open this box up. I'll show you guys what is inside the box. The other thing about this truck is it comes with the narrow front tires, shown here in the picture. Flip it all around here, and it shows the picture of the truck here. The box is in bad shape. Same photo used here as well. So it's kind of interesting. They changed out the truck here. You can see here they used the older electronics in this one. And this is the version of the truck that you will receive in this picture right here. So the boxes are fairly similar. Comes with a square body, the original RC truck body, which J Concepts reproduced this body, and we have those available as well. It comes with the original rear tires, 3-piece wheels, and the narrow front tires and wheels. It doesn't come with the wide ones like originally came with. Chassis plate, pull it out here so you guys can see it. It's stamped here. It's got RC10T, powder coated, very nice. Does not have a marking back here. Next up, stealth transmission. This is a game changer in the hobby. Little 6-gear. Now this transmission is pretty much a direct copy of the original stealth transmission that they made. I know the World's car they came out with 10 years ago had a little bit different transmission layout, very similar to the Fan RC one you see today. So either gear, the bearings are supported on the case instead of in the gear. So that's a big difference with it. And then it does have the inserts for the offset of the transmission, has the black motor plate. So it is a copy of the original stealth transmission. It does have bushings, as you can see here. We sell the Fast Eddy bearing kit, which is a really good upgrade if you're going to put this thing together and you're going to try to run it. Would be highly recommended. Battery box, nothing fancy there. Antenna mount. Suspension parts. The white collar is definitely closer. The A-arms are closer to what the original stuff was. You see it has the dog bones here, 1/4-inch axles, rear bulkhead. The hub carriers are a little bit different color. They're more of like an almond color. I don't know what color you would say that is. So we'll move on. Shock bag, gold shocks, not the hard anodized shocks. You see here, it does come with oil. Very similar to how the kits used to come back in the day. Front control arms, more of the white color. Kind of a off color if you compare it to the rear suspension arm. You can see here 2 different colors. Not really sure if that's just how things turned out, or I was kind of looking at another kit and it's the same way, so they're all that way. The caster blocks are off color, and it does come with the newer steering block. It doesn't come with the original Associated steering block that was in like the gold pan cars. The nose plate comes with the truck nose plate. Rear body mounts, front body mounts, servo mounts are the white color. And then you have just in the small bags here, your turnbuckle bag comes with the steel turnbuckles, which the kit originally came with. And it comes with the bell cranks with the servo saver, and the hardware front bumper. So more of an off color. And we got tool kit, shot kit, and a spur gear. And we have the decals for the body, the window mast for the body, antenna tube, and it does come with the instruction manual, as you can see here. So yep, that's what she comes with. Nothing too fancy, nothing too over the top. I know Associated is working on releasing some other vintage kits over the summer, so it'll be interesting to see what they come up with. I'll lightly put this stuff back in here. And yeah, that's the overview of the RC10T. Once again, it comes with the older square body, which is really cool. There's a narrower version of this made. Like I said, J Concepts repopped this body. So yeah, really neat to see them reproducing these kits. Once again, you can get the car kit and your accessories for it at gofasthobbies.com. That's all I got for today. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you next video.